Good afternoon. This is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I want to welcome you to 12545 West Clover Meadows Drive in Meridian. Beautiful single level with a mother-in-law quarters as well. 4-bedroom, 3-bath on a full acre. Amazing location. Straight ahead is the park, the village. You're close to freeway, shopping, hospitals. You've got this home actually in December of 2022 basically burned down. So everything you see is brand new. And there is a lengthy description of that process and what happened and how the home was beautifully rebuilt that you can read online or request it from me if you'd like. You'll see the gorgeous mature trees out here. Very quiet street. Photographer's here right now, so excuse the car. Has solar on the back side of the home. You have a nice deep 2-car garage, covered front entry, beautiful brick, full rain gutters. We'll walk around to the back side here and show you how gorgeous the backyard is. So as you come through here, look at these majestic trees back here. You have 3 sheds, one directly in front of us, and then over there you have chicken coop with another nice big shed with power. And behind that is one more shed. Nice big garden space, pasture area behind that. Very shaded back patio area. Got again the full gutters, the vented eaves. This goes into the garage, which is painted, fully finished. You have the furnace out there, water filtration. This home has gas service to it and water service and sewer. You also have irrigation water out here. This goes to the apartment area, and there's actually 3 doors to the apartment. This is kind of a transition door. Lots of concrete walkways all the way out to the shed. Pretty low maintenance for an acre of property because everything's already dialed in very nicely. We'll go around here to show you the front of the apartment. Newer fencing there. The apartment has its own entry, its own driveway. There's the apartment, French doors, very cool looking. And we'll take a look at that in a minute. Has another door over here, so that's your 3rd door. And obviously this is the other side of the home. Very quiet part of town, but again, just amazing location. Homes in here do not come up for sale very often, and when they do, they generally sell very fast. All right, let's go inside and take a look at this. Okay, so walking up to the front door now, notice the pretty shutters, leaded glass wood door here. Then you walk in, and first thing you'll notice are the big open space, vaulted ceilings. When the house was reconstructed, they raised the ceiling height up. They had to rebuild everything. Large entertaining area. You could seal this off and make an office if you wanted to, or plenty of room for a family room here, living. Nice big windows. Notice the trim work as well. Very nice. And you have the Sun Valley texturing, flat panel electrical with ceiling fan / dimmer switches. You have a solar light right there, solar tube. And we head into my favorite spot, the kitchen, where you have the quartzite, not quartz, not granite, but quartzite countertops with the gas range. Then you have a very cool pop-up here for USB and electrical. Little sitting area there. Lots of gorgeous cabinets with the two-tone, the natural wood down here, then the white uppers. Full tile backsplash. Little microwave cart area there. Fridge. Luxury vinyl plank flooring. Bosch range. Drop pendant lighting. And some very nice accent colors. And the store goes out to the back that has a retractable slider as well. So continuing in the kitchen here, you have a KitchenAid stainless steel dishwasher, nice big farm sink, and I love that it just looks out at the back, beautiful backyard, or a nice place to, when you're doing dishes, this is a nice place to do it. Beautiful cabinets. Heading over here, you have your pantry. Also has a slider window in there. And the laundry space with matching cabinets in there and another window. Now we'll head back through this beautiful open family room. Notice how many recessed can lights you have in here as well. Just light and bright. Another closet here on the left. Bedroom number 1. Continuation of the vinyl plank. 8-foot ceilings in here. Your guest bath.
Should have seen the house.
Okay, so leaving the nice big living room now, and you'll see bedroom number 1. Nice window shades as well. 8-foot ceilings in here. Very neutral paint. Continuation of the vinyl plank flooring. And here's your guest bath. Raised vanity, built-in storage. Here's another solar tube here for natural light to come in. The elongated raised toilet and shower tub combo. There's another light up there as well, which I didn't turn on. There's that Sun Valley texturing. Very nice. Okay, off to the left is the primary suite, but we'll save that for last. Bedroom number 2. Lots of windows, and again, very nice blinds. Kind of a nice, cool, modern light fixture as well. I like that. Smoke detectors, of course. Okay, and here's your primary, huge room, 18 by 15, I believe. Room for any size furniture. Again, lots of recessed can lighting, sitting area. Nice big closet here. This transitions into the primary bathroom with, again, the raised elongated toilet. Medicine cabinet. The very nice shower unit here. It's a one-piece, so it's nice and smooth. You're not worried about grout with a grab bar. The dual head spigot there. You have the granite countertops in here. Okay, let's show you the apartment. So this is one way you can enter. It's got a complete transition area here. Again, window, door, one step here, and this heads into the apartment. But I'm gonna take you through this room quickly. I think you should come through the front door. So let's pretend I did that correctly. We've got the French doors here. Let's head in through here. So here's pull your car up here. You walk into the front door. You got the laminate flooring in here. You have 9-foot ceiling fan. You got the mini split that does heating and air. Closet right there. Nice big window looking out the backyard. And you've got your kitchen area with kind of the leather finished granite in here. Gas range, stainless steel, nice tall cabinets in here, plenty of space. Full tile backsplash. Another gorgeous window looking out at the backyard and the roses. Refrigerator, room for storage here on that wall if you wanted to add a cabinet. This goes back to the private bedroom. Nice wide doorway. All the dimensions are online. You've got a closet here. This house has a ton of windows. And then you have one more door over here. It's blocked right now, but one more door to the front area of the home. So 3 doors in this little mother-in-law apartment. So you can go directly to the backyard, head out to the front of the house, or the other door off of the living room, heads off to the side. Into the bathroom, got the leather finish in here as well. Mirrors, mirror, your washer, dryer, and your shower. Once again, the detachable head on there and the elongated toilet. There's additional storage behind here as well. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the tour. The Sean Taylor Silver Creek Realty Group. Tons of details at rockidaho.com and on the photo tour and on the MLS. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 208-340-0000, or speak to your agent and make sure you get a live viewing of the home. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.